Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to improve your English speaking. English is a very important language. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, you can make new friends, you can get a good job, you can travel to different countries. So, how can you improve your English speaking? First, you need to practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends. You can practice with your family. You can practice with your teacher. You can practice alone. You can talk to yourself in English. You can say, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. Second, listen to English every day. Listening is also very important. When you listen, you learn new words. You learn how to say the words. You learn how to make sentences. You can listen to English songs. You can watch English movies. You can listen to English radio. You can watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people who speak English. You can go to place where people speak English. You can listen to them and learn. Third, read English books. Reading is very good for learning English. When you read, you learn new words. You learn how to make sentences. You can read easy books. You can read children's book. You can read newspaper. You can read magazines. You can read anything in English. When you read, you should read out loud. This will help you with your speaking. You can also read with a friend. You can read to each other. This is a good way to practice. Fourth, write in English. Writing is also good for learning English. When you write, you learn how to make sentences. You can write a diary in English. You can write about your day. You can write letters to your friends. You can write emails. You can write stories. When you write, you should try to use new words. This will help you learn new words. Fifth, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, you learn. You can ask your teacher for help. You can ask your friends for help. You can ask your family for help. They will help you. They will tell you how to say things correctly. Do not be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you speak, the better you will get. Sixth, think in English. This is very important. When you think in English, you will speak better. You can start with small things. For example, when you see a chair, you can think, "This is a chair." When you see a book, you can think, "This is a book." When you are hungry, you can think, "I am hungry." When you are tired, you can think, "I am tired." When you think in English, it will be easier to speak English. Seventh, learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. When you know more words, you can say more things. You can use a diary to learn new words. You can write the new words in a notebook. You can try to use the new words in sentences. This will help you remember the new words. 8. Speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it is easier to say the words correctly. It is also easier for people to understand you. Do not speak too fast. Take your time. Think about what you want to say. Then say it slowly. 9th. Join an English class. Taking a class is very helpful. You can learn many things in an English class. You can learn new words. You can learn how to make sentences. You can practice speaking with your classmates. You can ask your teacher questions. Your teacher can help you with your speaking. 10th. Have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you have fun, you will want to learn more. You can play games in English. You can sing songs in English. You can watch funny movies in English. You can talk to your friends in English. You can do many fun things in English. When you have fun, you will learn better. 11th. Use technology. Today, we have many tools to help us learn English. You can use apps on your phone. There are many apps that can help you practice speaking English. Some apps can help you learn new words. Some apps can help you with pronunciation. You can also use the internet. You can find websites that can help you learn English. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can find online courses. Technology is very helpful for learning English. 12th. Make English speaking friends. Having friends who speak English is very helpful. You can practice speaking with them. They can help you with your mistakes. They can teach you new words. You can learn about their culture. You can learn how people speak English in different countries. Making friends who speak English can be very fun and helpful. 13. Watch English news. Watching the news is a good way to learn English. You can learn about what is happening in the world. You can learn new words. You can learn how people speak in different situations. You can watch news on TV. You can watch news on the internet. Watching the news can help you improve your English. 14. Join an English speaking club. Many places have clubs where people meet to speak English. You can join these clubs. You can meet new people. You can practice speaking with them. You can learn from them. Joining an English speaking club is a very good way to practice and improve your English. 15th. Travel to English speaking countries. Traveling is a great way to improve your English. When you travel, you have to speak English. You have to talk to people in hotels, restaurants, and shops. You have to communicate with people. Traveling to English speaking countries can be very fun and helpful. 16th. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a good way to learn new words. You can make flashcards with new words. You can write the word on one side. You can write the meaning on the other side. You can look at the flashcard every day. You can practice saying the words. Flashcards are very helpful for learning new words. 17th, record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is a good way to practice. You can listen to yourself. You can hear your mistakes. You can hear how you sound. You can practice saying the words correctly. You can ask your friends or teacher to listen to your recording. They can help you with your mistakes. Recording yourself is very helpful for improving your English. 18th, mimic native speakers. Mimicking is a good way to learn how to speak. You can listen to native speakers. You can try to speak like them. You can copy their pronunciation. You can copy their intonation. You can copy their rhythm. Mimicking native speakers can help you sound more natural when you speak English. 19th, read aloud. Reading aloud is very helpful. When you read aloud, you practice speaking. You can hear how two words sounds. You can practice your pronunciation. You can practice your intonation. You can practice your rhythm. Reading aloud is a very good way to improve your English speaking. And last, 20th, practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice with is very helpful. You can practice speaking with your partner. You can help each other with mistakes. You can learn from each other. You can practice conversation. You can practice asking and answering questions. Practicing with a partner is a good way to improve your English. So guys, आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो काफ़ी पसंद आई होगी। अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक ज़रूर करना, और अगर आप इस चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट किए हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। अगर ये वीडियो फेसबुक पर देख रहे हो तो हमारे पेज को फॉलो कर लेना।